Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into something that has completely transformed the meaning of trucking and luxury living on wheels. The all-new 2026 Kenworth T2000. This isn't just another truck. This is a rolling 5-star hotel, carefully designed to bring the comforts of home right into the heart of the highway. For decades, Kenworth has been known for durability, power, and presence on the road. But with the T2000 Motorhome Edition, they've stepped into a new era. This machine is not only about delivering cargo, it's about delivering a lifestyle. The moment you step inside, the rough exterior of a long-haul truck gives way to a plush, elegant interior that feels more like stepping into a luxury suite, rather than climbing into a semi. It's modern, it's sleek, and it's built for those who refuse to settle for less, even when they're thousands of miles from home. Let's start with the kitchen, because this is where the T2000 makes an incredible impression. Unlike the cramped and makeshift cooking corners you might find in older motorhomes, this is a fully functional and stylish kitchen designed for real living. You get stainless steel appliances that not only look sharp but perform beautifully. On the road, there's a spacious refrigerator that allows you to stock up for long trips, a full-size microwave for quick meals, an induction cooktop for safer and faster cooking, and a deep stainless steel sink for easy cleanup. The counter space has been designed with fold-out extensions so you can prep comfortably, and every cabinet features a soft close mechanism that prevents rattling while driving. Storage is cleverly tucked away in every corner, giving you room for cookware, dry goods, and everything you need for life on the road. This kitchen doesn't just keep you sustained, it makes every meal feel like a home-cooked experience, a rare and beautiful luxury for truckers and travelers alike. Step further inside and you'll find the bedroom, and trust me, this isn't your typical truck sleeper. Instead of a small mattress squeezed against the wall, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 offers a full bedroom experience. At the center is a queen-sized bed outfitted with premium memory foam and plush bedding, making it the perfect retreat after a long day of driving. The designers have gone above and beyond with built-in nightstands, soft ambient LED lighting, overhead storage, and even a mounted smart TV for entertainment on the go. The entire space is soundproofed and climate-controlled, ensuring you get uninterrupted rest no matter where you're parked. The finishings feel modern and stylish, creating an environment that is both practical and soothing. It's not just a sleeper, it's a sanctuary where drivers can recharge in true comfort. And yes, there's a bathroom, one of the most impressive parts of the T2000's transformation into a motorhome. No longer do drivers have to rely on truck stops or cramped facilities. This bathroom is fully private and beautifully designed, with a modern shower featuring glass doors, a high-quality toilet system, and a vanity with mirror lighting and storage. The finishes are sleek, the ventilation system keeps everything fresh, and hot water on demand makes it feel like a real home. It's compact, but every inch is optimized for comfort and convenience, proving that Kenworth thought of every detail when creating this motorhome experience. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 is not just about power and performance, it's about redefining what life on the road can be. With a motorhome design that blends a functional kitchen, a luxury bedroom, and a well-equipped bathroom, this truck truly feels like a 5-star hotel on wheels. For those who spend their lives traveling, this is more than a vehicle. It's freedom, comfort, and style, all in one extraordinary package. Thank you so much for watching this review, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the Kenworth T2000, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews.